Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique here, Anique Budgets, and on here we do cash up and budget and paying off for that and mind our business and not necessarily in them for orders. So child, if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and follow us for all the things money, okay? So as you guys can see, we are doing game night. So thank you guys for stopping by. We already got this set up for savings bingo because we're about to do it. But first, let's count this money. And so today we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So we have $100 we're going to be working with today. So no shade, no tea. Hey, which cash envelope wants this money? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so we're back again on the back again because we're back again. Okay, so let's roll. We about to pull our 7 digits. So if you're look, girl, child, slow it down. Maybe I'm excited, but if this is your first time here, then basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull 7 bingo numbers, bingo balls, and then we're gonna see. We're gonna use the second number to basically mark our bingo sheets, and then that's how much we know we're gonna save. So let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, girl. 7 bingo balls pulled. So yes, I am ready. I hope everybody else is ready too. Me, I am bread and butter. You can pick whoever you want. If you do get bingo, then you add $7 on top of whatever you are saving the week that you get bingo. So let's start counting, because the reds, y'all, we have 3 reds, and so there's a possibility of us getting a bingo from somebody. I'm excited. I don't know about you, excited. But first number, I-24, so it's an I-4. I-4. Let's get out the red one. So animal lover, no. Spring fling, no. Bread and butter, come through. Okay. Sweet lady, no. Mardi Gras, no. But you know what? Lucky Charms, cause lucky. Alright, next number we got G50. Damn, anybody getting nothing because we don't do zeros around here. We do big bank, okay? Big bank. Alright, next. Come on again. Come. Next number. I-22. So let's get the reds again. Animal lover, no. Spring fling. Hey, spring fling. Calm down. Spring fling. One more away from. Alright. No I2. Yes, I2. Alright, Lucky Charms. This is the March set, so if you don't have the March set, that is what they're from. So go ahead, still print it off, because it's April. March and April sets available. February and January set gone. And so next month, April set are going to be available on Mia, and then have gone. So go ahead and grab them while they're still fresh, hot, and under press, child. Next is we have 066, so that's a 06. We have a green. No, damn, animal lover. Damn. 06, okay. Spring fling got another one. No 06. Okay. Alright, next number we have is N43. So that's N3. So alright, animal lover, first one on the board. Yes, animal lover. We have an entry on spring fling. We're gonna do it this way, because what we're trying to do is get bingo, y'all. We're still trying to get bingo. Is it a 3 here? Yes, it's a 3. Bingo. What's the number? N3? No N3 on bread and butter. Okay, we have an N3 on sweet lady. About time, sweet lady. Come on now. N3 on sweet lady. No N3 on Mardi Gras. No N3 on Lucky Charms. So we have 2 more numbers, y'all. 2 more numbers. So we have N45. So that's an N5. N5. We have none on animal lover. Yes. Okay. Spring fling. Hey. Spring fling been getting a whole lot of money. And the whole, you see it? We have an N5 on bread and butter, which is mine. Love it over here. No N5 there. No N5 here. We have an N5 right here. So yellow right there again on Lucky Charms. y'all. All right, next, last number. So let's see how much we're saving. So last number, if we get to our 6, because we have 26 available and we have 16 available for the eyes, so there's a possibility. Say bingo spring fling I get. Bingo spring fling I get. All right, you ready? I'm gonna say, all right, what number? I-21. No, come through I-21. Yes, I-21. No, but I have a I-21. May I try it again? Yeah. Okay, put it right there. Y'all, remember finish. I-21, so that's an I-1. All right, Mardi Gras, I-1. Okay, I know I-1 for Lucky Charms. So those are the 7 numbers. Those are the 7 numbers for the budget bingo. So now we're gonna calculate how much everyone's getting, and then once we don't do the calculations, then I'll come ahead and tell you guys what we're saving exactly. But y'all, look, listen, last week I felt like Spring Fling get a whole lot of money last week, and I feel like them doing it again this week. I don't know what is happening, what's the juju, but Spring Fling, I get the money. So let me do everything. I'll be back, and then I'll let y'all know how much we're saving for each of the bingo sheets. All right, yeah, so I'm back. So let's go over the numbers. So girl, animal lover is saving $3. Spring Fling is saving $16, so not as much as last week, but still you know, decent. Bread and butter is saving $10. Sweet Lady is saving $4. Mardi Gras is saving $1, and Lucky Charms is saving $11. So those are the number of what is being saved today. So let's pull out the savings binder, the saving challenges binder, and then let's go to that. So $10 is what I'm supposed to be adding to mine. So what I will do is I'll take a 10, put it actually I'll keep the 10, and I'll grab a 5 and 5 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's do, okay, so no, savings bingo is 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and $35 is now in savings bingo, and we're just going to put everything back to where we found it. So the next thing that we're going to do is, I could do 10 of a kind. Wait, y'all, wait. Let's see how much, because let's see, let's go to the 100 envelope, because you know we're trying to fill up the 100 envelope. So we need to put $65 in here. So let me see real quick. So we have 20, 40, 60, and if I put 65, right, sometimes you just have to do the calculation. Oh, I still have 20. Okay, all right. So let me see if I find something with $50, because then I can change out the 50 in there. So let me go to the other cash envelopes and see what we can do. So let me see if I find something with $50. Most likely Tides have $50. No, they don't have $50. Okay, groceries not have $50. Gas, no. Oh, household have $50. So take 50, do to the 20 and the 5 back, and I'll take the $10 bill. And so this is 20, 40, and 50. We have 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, $82. And so put this back, and now we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, and $82, just like it had before. So let's put this back in here, right? And then we take the 50, take the $50, put it back there, take up the, ooh, what was it, $65? Was it 65? Y'all, I need the $10 bill, don't I? I need the $10 bill. Cheese and peas. Alright, I need the $10 bill. Hold on. The $10 bill that I just put in groceries, I think groceries, in household, I need it back. So let me take out $10, and do 10 and 25. All right. It just need to be $82. So let's see, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82. Still $82, just like how we thought. Okay. So now, right, that will have the better denominations. Put them down. We have the 50, the 60, and the 65, and that means that we can do one out of the 100 envelope challenge, because I told you guys, like, this was going to be like my main one that I was gonna try and do and like complete, because I'm so close, and so I don't want to, you know, not put a lot of effort into the 100 envelope, because then it just not gonna get done, especially since I'm on the back side, which that is the biggest money out there. I might as well, you know, I might as well like go full throttle. So number 63 is getting filled today. That's 1, 2, 3. So now we're on to number 64, number 65, which both should get $65, and then we're going to move on to the 70s, then we're up to 75, and then we're almost going to reach the 80. So excited, but that was the 100 envelope challenge that getting stuffed. Okay, so now I have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and $25. I'm gonna put the 20 there and the ones there. Now going back to the saving challenge binder, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to the 10 of a kind challenge. The 10 of a kind challenge requires $20 bill currently. So right now for $20 bills, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so I'm going to add one more, which is going to make 7. And so with 7, I need 3 more $20 bills to basically complete the 20s, and then we're going to move on to the 50s. Lord, this money be still the big balling. The $65, the $20, then to the 50s. So now 10 of a kind challenge has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 20s. We know we have all the 10s, we have all the 5s, and we have all the 1s. So 3 more $20 bill, and we will basically complete the $20 of the 10 of a kind challenge. So let's finish that, and then next I'm gonna go to the Annie budget, and I do have the March Madness, which I still haven't completed yet. I still haven't completed the March Madness, and so right now I have in a 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. And so with that, I'm going to add the $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 here. And so now it's going to have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41. And we are just going to mark off 5 of the $1 bill. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we have $9 left to complete this March Madness. I know it takes a little bit to complete this March Madness, but it is what it is. I am being diligent with completing my saving challenges. Oh girl, yeah, I'm being diligent with completing my saving challenges. So like I said, it is what it is. Okay, so let's close that right there. But that is it for the saving challenge and game night, y'all. Really love budget bingo. I know I haven't played like I haven't played money roulette in like 2 bingo night, but y'all, money roulette can pause for a second. We have real thing. We want to finish the 100 envelope challenge, which we're so close. We like 30 away from completing the 100 envelope challenge, so I'm really trying to finish it, especially with the fact that I'm leaving soon. You know, I just want to have that completed. So that is that. And then saving bingo is just always fun to do. It's always one of my favorite saving challenges to do, so I still want to continue that with you guys. And then, you know, other challenge, the 10 of a kind challenge, which you save 10 of each denomination. So working on that as well. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Game night is every Wednesday. Go on Ko-fi, that's KOFI/AnitBudget to get all the free printables. That's the freebies for the saving challenges, or it is the bingo sheet, so you can participate in bingo savings. And yeah, so my name is Anit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.